What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw TORCHIC from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side, starting from the top of the eye. Just going to work our way down towards the circle and pull that back up towards the top. Now let's line this up all the way over on the right side and do the same thing. Coming around and just pull that back up towards the top. Let's draw two smaller circles along the top inside of each eye for the highlight. Starting on the left side, draw that circle, going all the way around, and then back up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to fill the outside of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the top edge of the beak. Starting right in the center, we draw a curve, going up and then back down. And going back to the left side, we'll curve the beak coming down and then out. Go to the top right and do the same thing. Let's go to the left side. We're going to step in, draw the bottom edge of the beak. We're going to come down the middle and pull that all the way up towards the right side. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom edge of the beak. I'm going to come down and then in. Now we're going to curve this out, just tuck that up underneath the top edge of the beak. And then we'll draw the inside of the mouth. On the left side, let's step in, just follow that same curve, coming down and in towards the middle. Go back out and up on the right. And then we'll add the edge of the tongue. Stepping in, go out and then down. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. Just going to curve this down and then just bend that in. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. And come down and then bend the head coming in. Now I'm going to move up and draw the top edge of the head. Starting back on the left, just going to round this out, come up and then in. We're going to leave a gap along the center. Let's step over towards the right. Go out, round up the head, and then pull that down. Let's add those feathers along the top of the head. On the left side, let's step out, curve this out, and then up. Go to the right, step out, go out, and up. Let's round up the top of the feather. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up, and then down. Go to the top right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to angle that center feather out towards the left. Starting down here, go out and then up. Curve this across and then back down on the right. Now we're going to draw the outside of the feathers. In between these 2 points, we're going to start right here. Curve this out and then bend that up towards the top. And bend this around, aiming in between these 2 points. Going up and then bending that down. Let's go back over toward the left side, go across, and bend that down, come down, just tuck that in along the top of the head. Let's go over towards the right, go up, and then out, come straight down, and then bend that back in towards the top of the head. Now we're going to move down and add those wings tucked in underneath the head. Let's start on the left side, step out, angle down and out on both sides, come up and in with a short line, and we'll add another point, coming down and out, and we'll pull that back up and in. Let's round up the bottom of the wing, starting back on the left, come down and then out. And I'll add some points along the bottom. Starting down here, you go up and in, and down and out, and then do that again, going up and in. Let's add a larger feather. From the top, we're going to step down, come down, and then out. And we'll go up and pull that in towards the head. Now we're going to continue to add these points up along the side of the head. We'll start back on the left, step down, just going to curve this out and then down. Curve that up and in. Let's add a smaller point. Coming down with a short line, and that back up and in. Let's add another larger feather, starting from the top, curve this out and down, pull that up and in. Now I'm going to finish off the top of the left wing, starting up here, and go up and out, come back in, and add one more, curving up and out, go up and then down in behind the head. Let's go over towards the right side and go up and out. I'm just going to pull this in a little bit closer towards the head, add one more, curving up and out, and tuck that in behind the head. Now we want to rotate the body over towards the right and tuck it in underneath the wing. So let's start on the left side. Start with a straight line going out. Now from here, we're going to curve the body, coming down, round up the body, and then we'll just tuck that back up underneath the wing on the right side. And then we'll tuck the legs in underneath the body, starting over on the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the ankle, go all the way over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll draw on the first claw, starting from the ankle, go down and up, and then bend that in and then down towards the first claw. And then from the tip of the claw, just going to curve this up and then in. Now we're going to add 3 claws on the outside. Let's start from the top of the foot, curve out and then down, come up and in. I'm just going to pull this in towards the inside of the foot. Let's layer 2 more claws along the side. From the tip, we'll step up, curve out and then down, curve up and in, curve in and then down in behind that front claw. Let's add one more. From the tip, we'll step up, go out and then down, pull this up and in along the side, curve this in and then down. Now we're going to go back up and draw the outside of the leg. From the inside, we'll step out, curve the leg coming down, and we'll just bend that out in behind the center toe. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's TORCHIC from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you check out our Pokemon playlist. We're adding new characters every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.